Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north from Welcome Hall towards Springfield. Entering Springfield. The road on the left will take you to Mount Arab, Mafuta, Richmond Hill, Fern, and Cambridge. Additionally, and if you are in search of Welcome Hall Cave, Bonnet Bush Cave, Miss Annie Cave, Barry Cave, then that is the road you should take. We are now driving on the Springfield main road. The road on the left will take you to Guinea Hill Community. On the right is Springfield Baptist Church. The road on the immediate left here is Hampton Road, and the Hampton Road will take you to communities such as Roehampton, Wales Pond, and also to Montego Bay. Entering Springmount. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.